viewers, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Voice of Animals and Awareness. Today my topic is about rainwater harvesting and groundwater recharge, along with few more sound of animals. Rainwater harvesting can be defined as activity of direct collection of rainwater and storage of rainwater, as well as other activities aimed at harvesting and conserving surface and groundwater, prevention of loss through evaporation and seepage in other hydrological studies, and engineering invention aiming at most efficient utilization of the rainwater towards best use of the humanity. Shortage of water for industrial and domestic use, and even for drinking purpose, is a cause of concern throughout the world, especially in developing and underdeveloped countries. So, rainwater harvesting and conservation is needed on a massive scale. The rainwater harvesting and conservation is nothing but means understanding the importance of rain and to make optimum use of rainwater at the place where it falls. There is an increasing trend towards construction of building for residential as well as non-residential purpose in urban area, and making the open area as pakka for parking, etc. This trend has decreased drastically infiltration of rainwater into the subsoil, and recharging of groundwater has diminished due to overdevelopment, which has depleted the aquifer. Surface water is inadequate to meet our demand, and we have to depend on groundwater. Thus, there is need to recharge the groundwater. The artificial recharging of groundwater is process by which groundwater reservoir is augmented at a rate exceeding that obtained under natural condition. Recharge technique enhance the sustainable yield in area and utilize the rainfall runoff, which otherwise goes to sewer for storm water drains. The condition and storage of excess surface water for future requirement is necessary, because this requirement often changes within a season or a period. So the basic purpose of artificial recharge of groundwater to restore supply from aquifer depleted due to excessive groundwater development. Rainwater harvesting can be done by storage of rainwater on surface for future use and recharging of groundwater. Animals also need water for drinking and bathing purpose. An adult cow makes sound when they become very thirsty. So let's enjoy sound of adult cow, thirsty adult cow. Viewers, if you like my video, please like, share, and of course subscribe my YouTube channel Voice of Animals and Awareness. Thank you.